Meet Evo, the foldable camera that shoots 3D and 360. Evo's eyes are just like yours. Open them up and shoot lifelike 3D. Clip on the included 3D viewer and see your memories jump to life. Or snap on holoframe and watch naked eye 3D. You've never seen your phone do this. Evo shoots one image for each of your eyes, then holoframe splits them up with a custom-built filter, and you see 3D. Evo folds up and shoots all directions at once. For big moments, every angle counts. First times can be a little shaky. Evo keeps things steady with gimbal-like stabilization, so you can keep moving and focus on what matters. Time shift mode puts a 360 twist on your time lapses. Vacations will never look the same. Watching in VR is easy. Connect Evo directly to your headset and play back your favorite shots straight off the camera. Evo lets you live your best moments again and again. Capture, share, and relive what you love.